Welcome to my channel IIT Foundation Maths for 6th class students. Chapter 8 Geometry. Today we will do some examples on angles. First one, in the given figure, C is a point on the line segment BD. Find the value of angle ACB and angle ABC. C is a point on the line segment BD. Find the angle ACB and ABC. So we have to find out this angle, and if you observe here, C is a point on this line. Therefore, from C it is a ray, and this is a ray facing opposite to each other, and this is another ray. So two angles are formed on either side, and these two form a linear pair. Therefore, if we take it as x, the sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degrees. That is 25 plus x is equal to 180 degrees, or x is equal to 180 minus 125. Bringing this 125 to the right side, it becomes minus. Therefore, 180 minus 125 is equal to 55. So, angle x is equal to 55 degrees. Again, we know that the sum of the three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Therefore, 95 and this is 55 degrees plus let this be y. So, sum of the angles in a triangle is 180. Therefore, 95 plus 55 plus y is equal to 180. 95 plus 55, 150 plus y is equal to 180, or y is equal to 180. Taking this 150 to the other side, it becomes minus 150 is equal to 30. Therefore, y is equal to 30. That is, this angle is equal to 30 degrees. So, angle ACB, that is angle ACB, this angle is 55 degrees. And angle ABC, this angle is 30 degrees. Let us verify that the sum of the three angles in a triangle is 180 or not. This is 95 plus this is 55 plus this is 30. So this is equal to 95 plus 55, 150. 150 plus 30, 180. So this is correct. So here these two angles are linear pair. So these two angles forming a straight line. Therefore, sum of these two angles is equal to 180. So this angle is equal to 180 minus 125, which is equal to 55 degrees. So next, let us take another example. In the given figure, PTQ, PMR, SMT and QRS are straight lines. Find the angle of angle RMS. So PTQ, PMR, SMT and QRS. These are all straight lines. That is this line, this one and this one. There are four straight lines altogether. Find the angle RMS. So here angle P, that is QPM is given, and here this angle and this angle forms a linear pair. As this is a straight line, here at T, two rays are opposite to each other. Therefore, these two angles form a linear pair. So, sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degrees. Let this angle be x. Then sum of the two angles, 110 plus x is equal to 180, or x is equal to 180, and taking this 110 to the other side, it becomes minus 110. 180 minus 110 is equal to 70 degrees. So, x is equal to 70 degrees. So, this angle, that is angle PMT, let it be y, and the sum of the angles in a triangle is equal to 180. So, angles in this triangle are 60, y and 70. So, sum of the angles 60 plus 70 plus y is equal to 180 degrees. 60 plus 70, 130 plus y is equal to 180, or y is equal to 180 minus 130. 130 taking to the other side, it becomes minus. 180 minus 130 is equal to 50. Therefore, y is equal to 50. Y is this angle. This is 50 degrees. But here at M, PMR is a straight line and TMS is a straight line. Therefore, when two lines intersect at a point, the opposite angles, vertically opposite angles are equal. Therefore, as this angle is 50, this angle is also equal to 50. So, we are asked to find angle RMS, angle RMS, this angle RMS is equal to 50. So, vertically at M, vertically opposite angles are equal. As this angle is 50 degrees, this angle is equal to 50 degrees. Therefore, angle RMS is equal to 50 degrees. Next, third problem. In the figure, ABD and BCD are two triangles. BD is the bisector of angle ABC and angle ABC. BD is the bisector of this angle and also this angle. Line segment AB is parallel to line segment CD and AD is parallel to BC. So, AB is parallel to CD, that is opposite lines are parallel to each other. CB and AD are parallel. If angle BCD is equal to 50 degrees, BCD, this angle is 50 degrees, then find the angle of angle BAD. 50 plus angle CDA is equal to 180 degrees. That is, as these two are parallel lines, because BC and AD. BC is parallel to AD. These two angles are lying on the interior of the parallel lines on the same side. Therefore, they are supplementary. Their sum is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, angle CDA is equal to 180 minus 50, that is equal to 130. That is angle CDA. This total angle is equal to 130 degrees. But angle BD is a bisector of this angle and this angle. Therefore, this angle, half of this angle is the 65 and this angle is 65. That is angle BDC is equal to 65. Angle BDC is equal to 130 by 2, 65 degrees. Also, angle BDA is also 130 by 2, that is equal to 65 degrees. So, as we know, this angle is 65 degrees. In this triangle, the sum of the three angles is equal to 180. Therefore, if we take it as a 60, we can find it in another way also. As this line CD and BA are parallel to each other, and this line may be a transversal. We can take it as transversal. Alternate interior angles are equal. This angle is equal to this angle. These two form an alternate interior angles. And this angle is half of 130, that is 65. Therefore, x is equal to 65. And this is angular bisector. This angle is also equal to 65. Therefore, these angles are each 65, 65. So, sum of the angles in a triangle is equal to 180. Let us see that this is 130, half of 130, that is 65 plus 50 plus 65. So, 65 plus 65, 130 plus 50, 180. So, this angle is 65 and this angle is 65. This is 65. So, this angle is, as the sum of the three angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. If we take it as y, 65 plus 65 plus y is equal to 180. 65 plus 65, 130. 130 plus y is equal to 180 degrees. So, y is equal to 180 minus 130. that is equal to 50 degrees. So angle Y is equal to 50 degrees, that is angle BAD, angle BAD or angle DAB. This angle is equal to 50 degrees. But here this figure is a parallelogram. These two lines are parallel to each other and these two lines are parallel to each other. Opposite sides are parallel to each other. Then the opposite angles are equal. This is a property of the parallelogram. But we have to find it from the fundamentals. Therefore, we got that this angle is equal to 50 degrees.